So welcome everyone in today's video, and in this video I'm going to provide you a quick tutorial for the Filmora, which is a video editor from the Wondershare. And I have several other videos about Filmora talking about some specific features, but in this video I'm going to provide you some beginner level tutorial. So if you just recently installed this software on your system, then this video is for you, so you can quickly start editing your videos. So here, as you can see, I'm in the Filmora dashboard. So when you start the Filmora, it will a pop-up window will appear, and it will ask that do you want to open a recent project, or you want to start a new project. So your first time starting it, you want to click on a new project is basically a project. I can't explain it. I mean, probably you already know what is a project mean. So here, as you can see, I'm in the media tab, and in the media tab you can import your media files with whom you want to work, you want to edit. Okay, so for this you can drag and drop, or you can simply click here, then it will open your storage. Then you can select depending upon the folder location. If you want to select multiple files, then hold your control key, then you can select multiple files like this. So you're gonna import anything, whatever you say, just ignore that thing. Okay, so you can import all kind of media, photo, video, audio, these kind of things. So here we are, and this is your preview window, and if I double click on this video,
so you're trying to
you can see the preview here for everything. And this is your timeline where you will work. So by default you will not see these many tracks. Okay, you will by default you will only see these two tracks. And here we have some other important sections, and here we have some toolbar that we will use a lot. So let's quickly start editing our video. And by the way, if you want to record your screen, or you want to record a web camera, then go to record and record PC screen. You can also record these three things: your microphone, then your PC screen, and then your web camera simultaneously. I can't show you because currently I'm recording my PC screen using this thing, so I can't show you, but it's very easy. So here we have imported all our media files. After that, whatever media you want to work with, at the beginning you have to drag and drop in the timeline. So here I will edit in the first track, and it is also showing us a preview. And as you can see, this is a video track. So here what we can do, we can add anything except audio files. All the audio files, they have a special track with the this music icon. So you're gonna import your own audio, maybe voiceover. But if you want some music, you are getting some royalty free music in the audio tab. You can download them by just double clicking on them. I have already downloaded a lot of music. So then what I will do, I will drag and drop, and I can't add here, not even the first track, so it will automatically add in the second track. And let's say we have added music, but we have more things that we want to add. For this you have to add a new track. So how you can add a new track? What you can do, you can drag and drop in the empty area, and it will automatically going to create a new track for you. And this is your undo button. I don't want this thing here, I will undo it. Okay, and same is true for the audio. If I drag here, it will automatically create a new track. And like this you can add 100 layers or tracks, whatever you say, it is the same thing. So we have added a track, music, and if you want to control the volume, so this is kind of your wavelength, and this is the music that we have added. So for this I will drag and drop like this, whatever, then you can
so you're trying to
play the video, and you have to find right thing for you. If you're getting some difficulties by controlling like this, you can double click on it, and you can also control from here. Okay, so I also don't want music for this video, so I will select it, then I will click on the delete icon. You can also use your keyword key delete to delete anything from the timeline. And then we have our titles. Title is a basically text templates. If you want to add some fancy titles or even a simple one, you will find that these things here. So where here we have a lot of pre-made templates that we can edit, and if you want to preview before adding, just double click on them and it will show you a preview. And for the adding, depending upon wherever you want to add, like I want to add okay, so you can also adjust timeline like this, but for this text I want to, here you can see the timing. I want to add a 1 second, so here is our 1 second, so I will drag and drop here at a 1 second, and this is the duration from 1 second. You can see the timing here, or also here to here, so up to 5 seconds. If you want to decrease or increase it, so you have to move to the end, then your mouse arrow key will turn into two side arrow keys, then you can hold your mouse left key and then you can change its duration, increase or decrease however you like. And obviously you want to edit it, add your text, so double click on it and then you can type your text here, maybe first video using Filmora, so like this. Then if you want to change font family, there are a lot of things that you can do, colors. Yeah, if you go to advanced, you will even find more things, but let's not do that. Click on the OK and also decrease the duration. And then we have a transition is a basically animation that will play either at starting of a clip, between two clips, or a end of a clip. Let me just quickly show you what I'm talking about. So there are more than 200 transitions. If you want a preview, just click on it and it will show you a preview. Okay, so you got an idea. So for this we have divided into multiple categories. I love these linear and plane shapes. So for this video I will add this transition at the beginning, and then if you want to control the duration, again move to the end, your cursor will turn into two arrow key, then you can adjust the duration. So let's check and preview.
So, you're trying to make breakthrough sales by selling physical products, digital products.
Now do some real editing. So maybe you want to get rid of a specific part. So for that you can apply a cut like this. Okay, and first cut here, then the first cut here. Let's say I want to delete this specific part. I will select it, then I will press the delete key, or you can also delete from here. And if you notice that after the delete, that thing quickly come here. So you can, that is a good Filmora edited, but if you want to turn it off, maybe you want to add some other things, then this is the auto ripple. By default it is a turn on, you can turn it off, then you can add your own things here. Maybe you want to add your own specific part or these kind of things. And there is one more thing, let me just undo it. So maybe you want to delete something from the starting or the ending. You can follow the same procedure. You can apply a cut or then delete it, or what you can do, you can move that specific part beginning or end, it will turn into like this. Okay, then you can hold your mouse left key and you can start deleting. So that area that was deleted, that is gone. So like this, then we have a titles, we have add transitions, then we have effects, some TikTok, these kind of things. Maybe girls will love it, but there are a lot of useful things as well. Then we have elements, some pre-made stickers, and split screen. Basically, if you want to show multiple clips at one time, then you can use these pre-made templates. And if you want to do some speed things, so maybe I want to make a specific part high speed. So what I will do, I will first of all apply a cut. Okay, cut has been applied, then I will select it. You can see a border around that area. When I select it, then I will, this is for speed. Maybe you can also go with a custom speed, faster, slow, however you like. It's up to you. If you want to crop it, then this is your crop icon. Click on it, and then you're gonna crop like this. So maybe I want only this specific part. You can check the
But no matter how amazing.
Okay. And then we have a pan and zoom. So let me just show you what is pan and zoom. That is pan and zoom. Anyway, let's not talk about it. So that's, you can continue, you can edit your video like this, you can add your own recording. If you want to add, you can record inside Filmora. So there are a lot of things. Then once you done your editing, if you want to save your project, then go to file, then here is the save project. Keep in mind that when you save a project, if you delete the media files, then you can't access your project. I mean, it will show missing media files, some that kind of error. So then we have a archive project. If you click on the archive project, it will create a one big project file that you can even transfer to your friend. Okay, it contain all the media files inside it. Even if you delete your media files, there will be no impacted on that project. So you can transfer to another computer, your friend, your teammate, or maybe you want to delete your media files. And once you done your editing, you want to finally your real output that you have done in the timeline, you want it as a video, then click on this export button, and then it will ask you how do you want to import. Do you want to these are some video extensions. This is a GIF. Then we have MP3, which is audio only. So MP4 is kind of standard. Okay, so we will go with MP4. We have a lot of more things. You don't need to change a lot of things. Okay, and the second thing is higher the quality, better it is. But higher these numbers means also big in size. So you can play with these things. Make sure you keep your bitrate high, close to 20,000. It will really make your videos amazing. Then you can type your video name and select your location where you want to save the video, and then start exporting. So it will, whatever you have done, it will start creating is as a video. And then you can do whatever you want to do. Maybe shut down the computer, do nothing. But generally I do a sound reminder, so it will pop up a sound, so I know Filmora done my work. So that is for this video. I hope you like it. If you have any question or query, let me know by the comment section. I can this is one of my favorite video editor. I can create several videos on this software. So just let me know if you want more videos.